Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With the end of the school year or Teacher Appreciation Week just around the corner, are you trying to find that perfect gift to say thank you to an amazing teacher? It can be tough to find something that's both meaningful and doesn't break the bank. Forget the generic gift cards and coffee mugs. Today, we're getting crafty and making something truly special. I'm going to show you 5 heartfelt DIY gifts that any teacher will absolutely cherish forever. These ideas are creative, budget-friendly, and most importantly, they come straight from the heart. So, grab your crafting supplies, and let's get started. First up, we have the jar of sunshine. This is such a simple yet incredibly touching gift. All you need is a mason jar, some yellow paper, a ribbon, and a pen. The idea is to fill the jar with positive messages, happy memories from the school year, or things you appreciate about your teacher. You can write things like, "Remember that time we learned about volcanoes? That was the best day." Or "Thank you for always being so patient." Each little note is like a ray of sunshine they can read whenever they need a little pick-me-up. Decorate the jar with a bright yellow ribbon and a tag that says "A jar of sunshine for a rainy day." It's a gift that keeps on giving and reminds them of the positive impact they've had. Next, let's create a personalized, totally awesome teacher bag. Teachers are always carrying books, papers, and supplies, so a sturdy tote bag is super practical. But we're going to make it personal. You can buy a plain canvas tote bag from any craft store. Then, get creative. Use fabric, paints, or markers to decorate it. You could write a fun pun like "Totally awesome teacher" or draw things that represent their subject, like planets for a science teacher or book spines for an English teacher. Another wonderful idea is to get the whole class involved. Use fabric paint to put each student's handprint on the bag in different colors, and then write their name underneath. It becomes a beautiful, collective thank you that they can use every single day. Our third idea is a "Helping Me Grow" succulent planter. This is a beautiful metaphor for a teacher's role in a student's life. Find a small terracotta pot and some paint. You can paint the pot in your teacher's favorite colors or decorate it with a simple, sweet design. Then, write the phrase "Thanks for helping me grow" around the rim. You can even add the school year at the bottom. Plant a low-maintenance succulent or a small herb inside. Succulents are great because they're easy to care for and symbolize resilience and growth. This living gift will sit on their desk and serve as a constant, beautiful reminder of the students they've nurtured. It's a fresh, green, and incredibly thoughtful present. Moving on to number 4. Let's make a set of custom decorated pencils or pens. This is a super budget-friendly idea that's both practical and personal. Teachers are always in need of writing tools. Buy a pack of standard wooden pencils or simple pens. You can use washi tape with fun patterns to wrap around them, creating unique and colorful designs. Another option is to use acrylic paint to add stripes, polka dots, or even your teacher's name. You could even write tiny words of encouragement on each one, like "You're the best," or "Making a difference." Bundle them together with a nice ribbon and a tag that says, "You're just the right teacher for me." It's a small gesture, but it shows a lot of thought and effort, and it's something they'll use daily. Finally, our 5th gift is a DIY bookmark bouquet. This is perfect for the teacher who loves to read. Instead of flowers that will eventually wilt, you're giving them a bouquet of beautiful, handmade bookmarks that they can use for years. You can make bookmarks out of sturdy cardstock. Get creative with the designs. You can paint watercolors, press small flowers, or write out inspiring quotes about teaching and learning. Try different shapes and sizes, and attach a tassel made of embroidery floss to the top of each one. Once you have a collection of about 5 to 7 unique bookmarks, arrange them in a small vase or tie them together with a beautiful ribbon to look like a bouquet. It's an artistic, thoughtful, and incredibly useful gift for any book-loving educator. So there you have it, 5 creative and heartfelt DIY gifts that are sure to make your teacher feel loved and appreciated. From the jar of sunshine to the bookmark bouquet, each of these ideas shows that you took the time and effort to create something truly unique. Remember, the best gifts aren't about how much money you spend, but about the thought and love you put into them. A handmade gift carries a special piece of you and creates a lasting memory for your teacher. It's a wonderful way to say thank you for all their hard work and dedication throughout the year. I hope you feel inspired to try one of these projects. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other great DIY gift ideas for teachers, please share them with our community. It's always wonderful to see everyone's creativity. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video and want more fun and creative DIY ideas, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy crafting, and let's show our teachers how much they mean to us. See you in the next video.